In summary of the entire training, when I was coming here, I didn't expect what I really found here actually. When you talk about Excel, I know the basics. I go about my job fairly okay. But then being exposed to all the possibilities within Excel, I know with practice, with definitely practicing what I've been acquiring here, it will really enhance my job in a way that I'll be effective and more efficient, especially when it comes to our blocks management, our enforcement procedures management, because as officers, that's what we do. We manage blocks in LPU, and at the end of each month, we are to produce reports based on the individual blocks we're managing. So based on their different tax types and compliances, I know it will help a lot, and I will report in a better way now than I used to.
Okay, good evening to you all.